This video is designed to help you with your 12th checkoff, Exercise 84 in the Red Book. Exercise 84 incorporates pretty much everything you've seen in previous checkoffs. The one new difference is in the last four measures. You have consecutive eighth notes that actually change notes on upbeats. So if you look at the second to last measure, you'll see C followed by D, and it's a C eighth note followed by a D eighth note, which means the C is on a downbeat, the D is on an upbeat, and then the following C would be back on a downbeat. So when you play, your foot's tapping, but your fingers are moving on the downs and the ups, C, D, C. And that happens in the last four measures in various spots. So when you're practicing through this, I highly recommend looking at the last four measures first, setting your metronome to a good tempo, like mine's at 70 right now, and then just practicing fingering through each of those successions. So I'm going to start right now by showing you what I'm talking about. I'm going to start in the last four measures on the two G quarter notes. I have my metronome set to 70. And I'm just going to finger and say through the note names and keep my foot tapping with the metronome. G, G, E, D, C, F, 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 D, C, B flat, C, D, C, B, B, C, F, 2, 3. Okay, and I was able to get that on a first try, but if you need to stop and break it down, or just maybe practice going E, D, C, E, D, C with your foot, down, up, down, up, down. It's okay to do that, and I highly recommend it. So now we look at the rest of the piece. You've got a flat sign in the key signature, which means all of your B's are flat. But you also have accidentals, natural signs. So some of your B's are actually going to be natural. If you look at the first measure, just a reminder that natural sign means both of those B's are natural because it carries through the measure. But if you look at measure 3, the first two B's are actually flat because of the key signature. And then the third one is natural. And that's going to be the one that you're going to use the alternate B natural fingering for. So you'd go B flat, and then add that little banana looking key to get the B natural to come out. All of the other B naturals in the piece, you can just use the regular B natural fingering for, okay, because they don't come after B flat. The only reason we use that alternate B natural is because it comes after a B flat, and it makes it a lot easier than having to flip-flop like this. Okay, so now that we've kind of talked through the piece a little bit, let's read through it, say it on note names, and then I'll play it. I'm going to set it to 70 again because that seemed to be a good tempo for me. It's okay to take it slower, though, if you need to. Here we go. Let's say it. F, C, B, B, C, F, F, C, C, B, B, C, F, C, B flat, B, C, 2, 3, rest. B flat, D, D, F, F, D, B, B, D, F, D, F, C, B, B, C, F, 2, 3, rest, G, G, E, D, C, F, 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 D, C, B flat, C, D, C, B, B, C, F, 2, 3. Okay, I felt like I did a pretty good job at that, so I'm going to play it now. Ready? Yeah, and for the slurs, just make sure that you're tonguing the first note of the slur, but not the other two.